Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SENS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, overall, the chart's hanging in there just fine. A little bit of a disappointing day just because there was, the big old gap up this morning, and then the gap up ultimately kind of rolled back over here. But the interesting spot on this will mean a little bit more to those of you that have watched the video previously. But I talked about this red line here being a level of resistance, and you can see that that is right in the general vicinity where the price ultimately did gap up to right around that 285-ish area and then get rejected back down. So I'm not saying that 285 can't be broken or anything like that. I'm just saying this level has become, that much more apparent as a very key level to watch moving forward. So you're going to have that many more eyeballs watching it, and rightfully so, and wondering, all right, if the price can work its way up here and get the break of it, is that going to create a bunch of buying pressure? And like I said, nothing's guaranteed, but as far as a plausible thought to have, that absolutely is. So you're going to want to keep a very close eye on that area moving forward, as I'm sure there's going to be just so many breakout players watching that. As far as levels of support are concerned, nothing new here to report. All the levels that I've talked about previously still hold true. Still have this green line down here at 255 as a support. You have that purple line right there, which on my chart denotes the 50-period moving average. And that's, like I said, the price isn't anywhere close to those levels, which is a good thing. When levels of support aren't even close to being threatened, that's always a nice little kind of sign of power in and of itself. But the main dynamic going forward really is just, can the sideways consolidation continue and then eventually make a move back up to that area? And then can it get the breakout? We'll have to see what happens with it, because as you can see back here, this is not the first time, right there, that the price has struggled around that area. You look back there and it struggled there before. So that'll be the main dynamic. So 285, public enemy number one. Let's see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up, as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.